Alright everyone, today is going to be an extremely exciting video because in this box right here we've got a load of mods that are going to be going on the Fiesta in today's video. So all the mods that you see in today's video have been supplied by the guys over at Paint Mods. Now Paint Mods have basically given me a big discount to buy these for today's video, but they've also been really kind and given me a discount code to give you guys, which is JBYT10, to get 10% off any of the products you see in today's video. And that discount code works for the majority of the products on their website. Not every single one, but the majority. Okay, so basically all these mods that you see in today's video are for underneath the engine bay. Now this is going to be sick because I've always wanted a cool looking engine bay. Like if you go to a car meet, you open the bonnet and then there's just like a sick, like glistening engine bay of like cool colours and stuff like that. And that is what Paint Mods can supply you guys. So taking a look under the engine bay, what we've ordered is 5 different parts to go in here. Now all the parts that you see actually go over the existing parts, so we've ordered a new one of these. Well, it actually goes over the top of this, so this stays on, and at the end when I want to sell the car, if I want to take it off, I can just basically remove the new one that I put on and then it'll look stock again underneath. So this is going to look so different by the end of today's video. I can't actually remember all the stuff I've ordered because I've ordered so much, but let's get these out of the box now and take a look. There's so many different colours that these guys do. Anything you can think of, they probably do it. There's so many different colours from gloss finishes, and the colour I've chosen today is the colour I think will go really well with the black. So without further ado, let me show you the colour that I've chosen. Gloss white. Now this could be brave, it could be getting dirty all the time, I need to clean it, but I reckon we get these all out and we'll start installing them. Alright, so here's the white sleeve that's going to be going around the washer bottle neck. So the instructions said you need to get a hacksaw, and basically you take this off, this cap, just like so, and then you have to take this little bit off here because obviously that is going to go over and it obviously won't pass that. So we've got to quickly hacksaw that off, sand around it so it's nice and smooth, and then this should hopefully slip on down. Get your sandpaper and just sand it off so it's nice and smooth. And now this wants to basically go over the top. Right, the first mod is on. The little washer fluid sleeve has gone on really nicely. The cap's back on there. The next one, right, let's lucky dip. I don't know what this one is, but we're going to be putting this on. Fuse box cover. Okay, fuse box cover. I'm guessing that's this here. Okay, all right. That looks sick. All right, let's give this a good clean so this will stick properly, because if these unstick, you're pretty done for. This actually looks like Velcro, so you must stick it on the back of this, stick it on the fuse box cover, so then you can just lift it off. If you need, that's very clever. So then if you need to get to the fuse box, you can. So we'll give this a good old clean. So we got the Velcro on the back here to match the Velcro that's on the top of here. So now I think it's literally just as simple as placing this over the top. That is on, lads. The Velcro is stuck nicely. I think I've put it in the right place. This looks so good. I think we're going to gradually work our way across. So let's do, I think I've got a big bit that goes on here now over the battery. Look at the size of this. This massive bit of white that's going to be going like all across this bit here. This is going to look so sick. All right, like the third bit is on, and the battery cover is all on. Now this actually took quite a while. We're meant to reroute this little bit here and move that to there so it goes round there, but because my bolts had rounded off, it wasn't possible. But I managed to just pull this up a bit and fit it underneath. But what we're going to have to do at the end is take all the protective film off, because that is still on at the moment, so that's why it's a bit dirty, but I'll leave that on until the end. All right, this goes around the latch, around there like that, so we have a bit of white around this bit here. All right, boom, there's that out. And I don't think we have to reuse these. They give you new bolts for us to use. Put this like that, and then put the new bolts in, and boom, that is also in. That's sick. A little white bonnet catch. Oh, it's all coming together now. This looks unreal. All right, next thing, I think there's a cover to go over this little bottle bit. So I don't know what's happened here, but I've got a different tank like looking thing to the one that's in the photo. That only leaves us for one more thing then. If we can't do this, we have to do the main engine cover now. Whoa, before we get into that though, I've just skipped forward a week and got the new part in which didn't fit before because I ordered the wrong one, the tank cover. Because I have a recall car from 2015, before 2015, basically the tank in which this goes over is actually different. It's actually quite a common mistake apparently, so make sure you check what tank you have and order the right one. But this should now finish the car off beautifully, and yeah, let's get this on and then we will show you guys the engine bay. All right, you lot, I've got the main piece here that's going to go on here, and it looks so sick. This is going to make the engine look insane. Are you ready to see it? Look at that. How cool is that? The white, we've got the gloss black down here, the red ST badge. You can literally customize this to whatever you want on their website, and I've gone with the white with the gloss black with the red ST badge. Big shout out to the guys over at Paint Mods, because this is going to look sick when it's on. And don't forget to use JBYT10 to get 10% off, so you can get yourself all this stuff. This looks insane. Let's get this on. I've got to give a huge shout out to Paint Mods, because this engine bay, oh my god, that looks so good. I'm just imagining it as well when I have an intake in as well, and it's like, oh my god, the white is such a clean colour. So, right, you ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold on, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin.
How sick does this look? I'm so pleased with it. I mean, it looks unreal. I mean, all these little white bits look sick, and this especially. The main cover looks so good. The gloss black with the red ST badge, the white now over here in this corner. Oh my god, it all ties in so nicely. I absolutely love it. Make sure you guys go and check out Paint Mods and do this to your engine bay. Like I say, you can do this to a lot of cars. It's not just Fiesta STs, they do it too. They do it in so many different colours, gloss colours, different patterns, all different type of stuff. I've always wanted a sick looking engine bay, and this is exactly what I've now got. So when I put up to the car meet, I open the bonnet, and that is glistening under there. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below, and check out Paint Mods. All their links and social medias will be down below in the description, and I cannot recommend them enough. I can't wait to carry on with the white theme in this engine bay, because they do more stuff. Maybe it's not over, maybe there's more to add. Let me know down below what you guys think. But yeah, thank you again for watching this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, and vitamin, welcome to the